let's talk citrus zest. If you've been on this channel very long, you know that I hate zesting citrus. I mean, it's just one of those most annoying things ever. Well, I came up with a solution. I came up with a solution that was really easy. And it started off two ways. At first I thought, well, why don't I take a vegetable peeler and then peel off the zest of whatever citrus I had. Lemons, oranges, and then I could freeze it. Well, freezing it was okay, it worked, but still had to be thawed and all those things. Then I thought, hey, what if I dehydrated it? Yes, you can take your citrus zest, put it in your dehydrator, and then just dehydrate it. Once it's dehydrated, put it in an airtight container, and there you have it. You can chop it up, you can grate it, you can turn it into powder, do whatever you want with that citrus zest, and it is so easy to use. It only takes half the amount of the normal zest, the fresh zest. It's flavorful, it is amazing to smell, and it was so easy to make. I used my dehydrator. You can do it in the oven, just keep an eye on it, put it on the lowest setting, and keep an eye on it. In the dehydrator, it was just a few hours, and the house smelled so good while I was doing it. In fact, I did cranberries. You can do just about anything, like any sort of fruit that you want. Just check and make sure on some things. But you can do ginger, you can do cranberries, you can do lemon, lime, oranges, whatever. Just make sure that you store it in an airtight, clean container, and you have citrus zest. Zest that you didn't even have to do anything with. That is so cool. So now whenever I call for something calls for citrus zest, I have it, and it's no work at all. If you like this idea, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.